In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw dogs to your Bitget wallet. This process involves several steps within the Bitget platform, which will allow you to transfer your dogs tokens securely and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure you are using a reliable internet connection, as a slow connection may affect your experience. Once the homepage loads, look for the option labeled Beyond Crypto and click on it to proceed. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will direct you to your account settings. After this, select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once in the Settings area, find the Dashboard option and click on it. This section provides an overview of your account's activity and assets. After the dashboard loads, look for the Assets section on the left sidebar and click on it to view your cryptocurrency holdings. In the Assets section, you will see an option labeled Withdraw. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. After selecting Withdraw, you will be taken to a new page specifically for handling withdrawals. Here, click on the Withdraw button again, which will bring you to the next step of selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Now, click on the Select a Coin drop-down menu. In this menu, type in dogex to find the specific token you want to withdraw. Once you see dogs in the list, click on it to select it. This step is crucial as it ensures you're withdrawing the correct asset. Following this, you will need to select the recipient for your withdrawal. Click on the Select Recipient option. Here, choose On-Chain to proceed with the transfer. After this, you will be prompted to select the network for your withdrawal. Click on Select Network and then choose TRC20 or another suitable option depending on your preference. After selecting the network, click on the Withdrawal Address field to enter the address of your Bitget wallet. Ensure that this address is correct, as entering an incorrect address can result in the loss of your funds. Once you have entered the address, confirm it for accuracy. Finally, click on the Next button to review your withdrawal details. Before completing the transaction, double-check all the information you have entered. This includes the amount of dogs you are withdrawing, the withdrawal address, and the selected network. If everything looks correct, finalize the transaction to complete your withdrawal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.